about the number of cases registered this month related with NDPS and amount of recovery.
This fortnight, we have registered nearly 10 cases of NDPS Act throughout North Goa, and we have arrested 11 persons with drugs worth over 31 lakh rupees. This is not a one-off success. We have been successful against drugs since the last many years. In 2019, which was our last tourist season in the pre-COVID time, we had a record seizure of over 10 crore rupees of drugs. This year already, before the tourist season has started, we have seized nearly 4 crore rupees of drugs, and we are on top of things, and we hope to make more successful attempts in the operations in the near future. Our focus is on all angles of the drug trade, which may be related to supply, to demand, to consumption, stocking, and we are also running an intensive campaign to make people aware about the harmful aspects of drugs. These drugs are not only illegal, they are also very, very dangerous for consumption. Some drugs like methamphetamine and MDMA have a threshold fatal value of 0.3 grams. So any quantity above that can result in death. So that is the seriousness of drug consumption. So we are in that process of making everyone aware of these issues pertaining to drug use.
And any action has been initiated by Goa Police for closure of Club 9 where rape party was hosted?
An inspection has been conducted under Public Health Act by the SDPO, and a report has been sent to the concerned authorities.
So it will be licenses will be cancelled by the local authorities.
The local authorities will take whatever action they need to take. So far the club is closed, and we have written for further closure, complete permanent closure of that club.